If you want to blur the edges of a photo in Photopea, especially in a clean and professional way, this method is going to be your best option. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth edge fade using a layer mask and the gradient tool, so you can make one side of an image gradually disappear without damaging the original photo. That means you can always go back and adjust it later, which is perfect for thumbnails, social media graphics, composite images, and creative edits. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your image in Photopea and look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the image layer you want to edit, because this step only works on the layer you select. Once the layer is highlighted, go down to the very bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon. That is the small rectangle with a circle inside it. As soon as you click it, you'll see a white thumbnail appear next to your image layer. That white thumbnail is the mask, and it's what we'll use to fade the edge of the photo. Next, go to the toolbar on the left and choose the gradient tool. You can usually find it by pressing G on your keyboard, which is the shortcut for the gradient tool in Photopea. After that, look at the top options bar and make sure your gradient is set to black and white or black to transparent. This is very important because black on the mask hides parts of the image, while white keeps them visible. If the gradient preview isn't already set correctly, click the gradient bar and choose a simple black to white preset. Now comes the main part. Before you draw anything, make sure the white mask thumbnail in the Layers panel is still selected. If the mask is not active, the gradient will apply to the photo itself instead of the mask, and that can mess up your edit. Once the mask is selected, move onto your canvas and click and drag across the edge of the photo where you want the fade to begin. The direction and length of your drag matter a lot here. The point where you start dragging will become fully hidden, while the point where you stop dragging will stay fully visible. So if you want the bottom edge to fade out, drag upward from the bottom edge into the image. If you want the left side to fade, drag horizontally from left to right. The longer the line you draw, the softer and more gradual the fade will be. A shorter line creates a sharper transition, while a longer line gives you a much smoother, more natural result. That's what makes this technique so useful for professional-looking edge blur effects. If the fade doesn't look quite right, don't worry, because this method is non-destructive. You can simply click the mask again and drag another gradient until the edge looks perfect. You can also combine this with other edits in Photopea if you want to soften multiple sides of an image or create a more artistic cutout effect. This is especially helpful for product images, portrait edits, and design layouts where you want the focus to stay on the center of the photo. So to quickly recap, select your image layer, add a layer mask, choose the gradient tool, set it to black and white, and then drag across the edge you want to fade. That's the easiest and cleanest way to blur edges in Photopea without permanently editing your image. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.